Hey guys, so I just got my Poosa candies in from TikTok Shop. I love Skittles, so these look amazing. These are freeze-dried candy. So I'm going to open them up. It's a Rainbow Crunch 6 ounce. Let me get it open here. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Lime. Oh my gosh, those are so good. You got the red ones. Whoa. So these are amazing. If you like Skittles and you don't want the chewy, because I get kind of irritated with chewy, it gets stuck in your teeth. These are amazing because they're just crunchy. So all the Skittles flavor, but crunchy, not chewy and getting stuck in your teeth. You guys have to get these. Super affordable, super yummy. Order.